Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching Chrome and opening an incognito window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N or tap the three-dot menu and choose New Incognito Window. Do this now, because Incognito immediately stops Chrome from saving browsing history, cookies, and site data on your device. Once open, make sure you understand that Incognito protects local privacy. Only sites, your ISP, or a VPN can still see traffic. If you need extensions, enable them one by one in Chrome, / extensions. Be selective for privacy reasons. Once inside Incognito, focus on what you do and why. Avoid signing into personal accounts unless you want activity tied to that account, because sign-in can sync history. You can still download files and create bookmarks. Remember, these items remain on the device after you close Incognito, so manage them intentionally. Make sure to adjust site permissions via the lock icon in the address bar to block location, camera, or microphone access. Also, switch profiles or open guest mode when testing behavior across accounts. To finish, close every incognito window. That action removes session cookies and site data created during that session. After closing, review your downloads and bookmarks and delete anything you prefer not to keep. If something goes wrong, for example, pages fail or load slowly, try reopening Incognito with extensions disabled or temporarily disconnect VPN/corporate filtering to isolate the issue. If extensions are the culprit, re-enable them selectively. If network filters interfere, consult network admin or use a trusted VPN only when appropriate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.